y'all, so today I'm going to show y'all how to install soft locks. First, we're going to start off with freshly washed hair. Next, we're going to stretch the hair. Next, we're going to part the hair from ear to ear. Then we're going to apply the jam. This will help hold the hair down when braiding the hair individually. So now we're going to get started with crocheting the locks in. For you. And if you love me, but you never let me go. And then I take the loop part, pull it closer to the braid, and then just letting you know. Next, we're going to take the water wave hair and start crocheting it through and wrapping it around the soft lock and your real hair. What I like to do is, starting from the root, I like to wrap it around about 5 or 6 times and then start working my way down. This is what it should look like. Next, we're going to use the mousse to keep the frizz under control. During this process, I normally use a do-rag to lay everything down and then blow dry. And if you love me, but you never let me go. When the roof was on fire, you never let me know. Say you're sorry, honey, but you never really show. And I can leave the party without ever letting. Next, we're gonna add some oil. So this is what the final product should look like. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.